Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can check and raise your Experian credit score. Your credit score is an important indicator of your financial health and can impact your ability to get loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. Checking your credit score regularly is crucial to ensure accuracy and spot any potential issues. The first step is to visit the Experian website or use their mobile app to access your credit report. You'll need to sign up for an account and verify your identity to view your score. Once you're logged in, you can see your credit score and review the detailed report to understand what factors are impacting it. Next, review your credit report for any errors or discrepancies. Make sure all the information is correct, including your personal details, credit accounts, and payment history. If you spot any mistakes, you can file a dispute with Experian to have them corrected. Now, let's talk about ways to raise your credit score. One effective method is to pay your bills on time every month. Payment history has a significant impact on your credit score, so making timely payments is crucial. You can set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. Another way to boost your credit score is to keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit to show lenders that you're responsible with your borrowing. You can also consider requesting a credit limit increase or opening a new credit account to increase your available credit. Lastly, monitor your credit regularly to track your progress. You can set up credit monitoring alerts with Experian to stay informed about any changes to your credit report. By staying proactive and making smart financial decisions, you can gradually improve your credit score over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.